Go to construction default metric template. Okay. Now we will discuss about how can we place our doors. At the same time, how can we place our windows. Okay, now we will discuss these two. Tell me. Yeah, okay, sure. 4000. Okay, now you can see, for example, this is my wall. Here to here I have wall. Okay, in this wall I have one arch. Okay, arch condition, what you do means, first of all you need to select your wall. Okay, either partition or entrance, you can select that wall and click on edit profile here. Okay, and go to required view, same as well as family step. Go to required view, north or south, both are applicable. Okay, this is our wall. Now you can apply your arch height. For example, if you need with exact dimension, go to, you can mention like this, how much of height. For example, I need 2100, 7 feet height. Okay, if you need with exact dimension, click on offset and you can mention, for example, I need 5 feet arch. 5 feet arch means you can mention 1500. Now you will take 750 offset. Okay, now you will take your arch. Either you need only like this type of arch, you can mention, or otherwise if you need any other angle, you can mention that one also. See, here we have radius. If you need edit this one, you can edit. Okay, after that, here we have combined line. Just you can give one, automatically came one error. Just you can see, can't keep elements joined. That condition, what you do means, first of all you can do split this one, divide into two lines. Okay, next you can use this one, easily arrange. Okay, and if you need this one, you can decrease this one also up to here, but we need to change here. Now you can decrease up to here. See, this is our arch. Now clear? Okay, if you need straight, you can mention straight. If you need model, you can create model also. Now go to architecture. Okay, I'm creating up to level 2. See, this is our building. Okay, and here I have like, sorry, okay, next go here, you can apply up to here only. Bedrooms too. Okay, I have here one more bedroom, that is master bedroom, like this. Okay, here I have kitchen. Okay, for example, you will take this is entrance or this is entrance. For example, you will take this is entrance. Okay, and here we have our normal common washrooms, like that. Okay, too. Okay, this side you can place your sink also directly, like this. Okay, this sink representation only, normal floor plan condition. Okay, like this. Here this is our building, complete partition building. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, master bedroom, kitchen, and this one is washrooms, this one is sink. Okay, this is our area. Okay, in this condition I need to place entrance door. Okay, remaining doors, windows, like that. First of all, here we have door. Okay, just you can select this door, or directly you can press DR also applicable. Just you can select this door. Here load family is there. When you click on your door option, automatically came this one. Okay, now go to metric template. Okay, in this metric template, here we have doors. Just you can open these doors. We have different types of doors now. You will go to residential door first. Okay, which type of door you need for residential? For example, if you need all, you can load all, that's not a problem to you. See, for example, I need all, you can select all, open. Okay, we are loading all items in residential folder na, that's why it will take some time, loading purpose. Okay, loaded all items. Just go to type selector. See, these all are different types of doors. Okay, which type of door you need? For example, I need entrance condition like this type of door or this type of door, or if you need normal this type of door, you can mention this one also. See, this is our entrance door. Okay, next I need inner doors. I need single door na, you can take this one or this one. Okay, that is your requirement. For example, you can select this one and you can place like this. Okay, next if you need a kitchen door, you can mention kitchen door also at here. Okay, next washroom door, you can mention washroom doors like this. Now see, just you can select this one door. Here we have controls na. By using this you can change your direction. If you need outside, you can mention outside. Okay, next, now we completed all. Okay, just you can see in 3D view. See, we placed all doors now. Now I need to place windows. How can we place our windows? Just you can see, go to window. Here we have only 2-3 types windows is there. Okay, if you need this window directly, you can place. For example, I need this window, you can place it here. Now you can see once entrance. Okay, is it okay? But you need to adjust this one, same level we need. Okay, that condition you can decrease your size. Here we have decrease the sizes now. For example, you can select 850 by that one, you will get like this. Is it okay? Or otherwise if you need same, you can select same thing. Okay, and if you need to adjust that one, you can take align. Already we have align option na. You can select this line and this line. Okay, this is front view now. Go to north, south. See, now you can try. AL enter. Okay, 900 height is there. Just you can check once. DI 900. Okay, next here to here 272 different is there. Now you can select, you can move like this. Same as well as here you can adjust. Now okay, now go to 3D again, you can adjust like this. Okay, is it okay? Next I need to place some architectural windows type. Okay, that type of windows also we have. Go to window and go to load family. Okay, go to metric folder. In this metric folder we have windows folder. Just go to here, we have windows. In this we have go here, where is window? These all are windows. Select one and control A. If you need all, you can open, or otherwise if you need thumbnails, you can apply thumbnails. Which type of window you need? For example, I need this type of architectural windows. You can load this up to this one. Okay, now loaded all items. Just you can see, for example, I need to place this window like here in this condition one, at the same time here one and here one, only for example this all. Next here one, is it okay? You can place it here. Okay, now you can see 3D view. See, place it our windows now. If you need to change this windows, just you can select which windows you need to change and go here. Here we have other windows also, you can select that windows. See, automatically changing like this. For example, if you need to change here also, you can change. See, okay, you can change like this also based on your requirement. Okay, and for example kitchen, I need here opening condition, we need here opening now, that's why you need to select here and go to edit profile, select required possibility. For example, go to front view. Okay, in this front view you can apply wireframe, easily remove identify purpose, and this is our door now. You can mention your opening just like this, only for example this one. Okay, if you need any fillers, you can select this one, radius just 300. Okay, now finish. Just go now 3D. See now, you can apply. If you need some height your opening, you can apply some height also, that's not a, that also possible. Okay, up to this one. Okay, placing, for example here I need to fetch furnitures like beds like that. Okay, that condition present, I am creating one floor like this, normal. Okay, just you can see now we have floor now. Go to level 1. Here we have window completed, door completed. Okay, I need to place furniture system. Furniture system purpose, here we have component na, place a component, and a model in place. Model in place means we need to create. Place a component means from the families you can import here. Click on place a component and load family. Go to metric folder. Okay, now I need furniture. Furniture means you will go with furniture folder. Where is our furniture folder? Here we have furniture and furniture system. We have two folders. If you need list, you can go with the list. Furniture is there and furniture system is there. Go to furniture. Okay, if you need TV stand. Okay, for example, I need this two, this one. Okay, load first. Okay, this two I need to place it here directly, where we can place in bedroom we can place. For example, I need to place it here, just you can place and select this one. Okay, go to 3D ones. Where is our item? This is our item. Okay, this is okay, correct condition or not condition. First of all you need to check. Okay, is it okay? You can mention your TV at here. Okay, this is straightforward. Go to level 1. Okay, now take your TV, place a component again. I will take this one, you can place it here. If we have some big now, you can take this size. Okay, okay, after this just you can see we have overlapping. See, why means we don't mention any offset, automatically taking 0 level. Okay, now you can mention some offset. If you know, you can mention some offset. For example, I mentioned 400. That is not correct na. Okay, if you know this distance, you can mention distance. For example, we don't know about this distance now. That condition, what you do means directly you will take one section, means this is our complete building now. That condition, in go to view, here we have one section, you will take one section like this. Okay, now go to here, See, we can see our section view now. See, this condition you can check your dimension di and the here to here 500 is there. Okay, now you can select your TV, apply 500. Okay, if you have any doubt you can select this one, edit type. We have width, height 500 is there. If you need any extra, for example I need 750, you can change into 750, increase it into 750 na? Now you can increase this one also 750. Okay, you can place like this. Now go to 3D view again. See, now we place it. Next I need to rotate this one. Okay, this is not a orientation, I need to rotate this two. Just you can select this two and click on rotation. Okay, this is my first point rotation. You can apply like this, you can apply in 45 degree. Okay, now you can see in 3D orientation is correct na? You can apply like this. Next I need to place bed in this room, in these bedrooms. Okay, go to architecture. Here we have place a component. Okay, and load family. In this load family, go back metric, go to furniture. In this furniture we have, see, beds, seating, storage and tables. If you need beds, directly you can open beds, hospital bed or normal bed or this type or this type or this type. I need this bed box type, you can select. Now you can place your bed at here. Okay, here is okay, you can place here like this type of orientation. Okay, that condition directly you no need na, you can change this one into this side, that is better to you. Okay, this is entrance, you can place it here. Okay, or otherwise you can place it here, that is directly you can see like this direction. Okay, next same as well as if you need this two, select this one and select these two items. Sorry, okay, copy now here to directly you can place it here. See, now I placed this one also. Next I need to place seating. Okay, if you need to place seating, go away, place a component, load family, back metric, go to furniture again, seating. Okay, which type of seating you need? For example, I need sofa. You need this one, I need this two, at the same time this sofa. Now loaded all items. For example, this sofa I can place it here, entrance condition. Okay, and one more sofa is there now. Okay, you can place this side same, one more sofa if you okay, or otherwise you can place based on your requirement. I need this one, not this one, this chair, you can place it here one. Okay, now you can select this all. Now adjust back side like this, if you need you can adjust like this. Now I need to place here one table. How can we place our table? Place a component, load family, go back metric. These all are placing components. Now you will go to tables. Which type of table you need? You need this type, you need this type. For example, I need this type, you can select, that is your choice. Okay, now For example, you can place it here. This is normal. Place a component, go here. You need to place your dining. Okay, dining area. For example, this is not correct, you can leave that one. This side is, now we completed all. Now you can see the building. Okay, this condition also you need this type of white sofa, you can change that one. See, okay, this is our glass. Next, here we have beds. Okay, for example, in this I need to place remaining, like human beings I need to place. Some humans are living in this room. Okay, I need to represent that one. Go to furniture, this we no need. We have entourage one folder. Go to entourage. Okay, this one is car, this one is shade, female, male. Okay, notebook, computer, picture frame. You can select this all and you can open. Now you can place your human beings also in this. Go here. For example, I need Jai. You can select, and where you need, for example, I need to place it here. I need to place it here. If you need rotation, you can mention rotation also. And I need female, like Lisa. You can place it here, 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 and here. I need another. Okay, I place it like this. Okay, if you need to rotate, just you can select. Here we have rotate option. You can give the rotation angle. Like this. Same. Like this. Okay, now go to 3D ones. See, some people are living at here now. See, like this. If you need to zoom, you can zoom. Like this. We can see this. Okay, and go to level 1. Next, I need to place kitchen equipments. How can we place our kitchen? Okay, just you can delete and go here, place a component. Kitchen we don't have separate. You will go to the special equipment. Here we have specialty equipment. Now go to this folder. We have domestic purpose. Go to domestic purpose. Kitchen medium. This is complete medium kitchen. This is small kitchen, and you need high-end kitchen. You need coffee system. You need electrical wall. These all are kitchen items. Okay, refrigerator, like that. Which type you need? For example, I am placing directly. This is mid-range. Means villas, that condition we are using one type, and normal condition we are using one type. Okay, based on your requirement you can use this one. You can select this one and you can place medium kitchen. Okay, now you can see here kitchen. When you place it, this all automatically taking some load. See, this is our kitchen. Okay, refrigerator, normal kitchen doors. Here we have some equipments like that. If you need to create anything extra, you can create. Okay, these all are placing. For example, I need to place car here. I have some portion extra. Edit boundary, like this. and this is my front space. I need to place car here. Place a component, go here. Already we loaded car, no? You can place here one, and I placed it here one. See now, go to 3D. See now, here we have two cars, no? Like this. Okay, finally you can place this type. Okay. These all are our models. Okay, default we have some models here. If you need to create anything extra or anything new, you can create. Okay. This one, place a component and a window and a door. Now clear na? These all are placing purpose. Okay, at the same time place a component, you will check once. Okay, go to metric. In this metric we have different types of folders. Okay. Just you can see here we have architectural columns and cable trays. Okay, but we are using normal architecture purpose, furniture system. Okay, next entourage folder one. At the same time wall cabinets. See, we no need this one actually. Case work we no need. Next maso lighting, these are lights openings. Pipe planting, you will trees placing purpose, you can place this one, trees. If you need trees, you can select and you can place. Here we have trees placing purpose, this folder. And remaining sustainable design, this one is templates, like bicycle rack. Bicycles. See, like entrance, this one, light shelf exterior. Okay, dustbin type, you can consider like this. Okay, if you need to place this one, you can use like solar panel, walk off mat, water tank. Okay, wind power generator. Okay, this type is there here. Only this much of families is there. Only furniture system and entourage, special equipment. You can use this folder, 4 folder. You will take services. In MEP services we are using remaining folders. Okay, and we have columns purpose, structure services there. Structural purpose we need footings, columns like RCC, rebars, reinforcement is there na, that purpose, and rebar couplers. That condition you will get these all. Structural columns, structural connections, and structural foundation, structural framing, structural rebar couplers, structural rebar shapes. Okay, these all coming in structural services. Okay, and structural stresses also. Okay, in component place condition you will get only this much. Okay, if you need any extra we need to discuss remaining. Okay, next tomorrow I will discuss elevation design.